Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Dr. English Channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today's episode is called English at the Restaurant. We'll talk about everything from making a reservation to paying the bill. All the useful English you need when eating out. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos about the easy ways to learn English from beginner.
That's right. We'll also act out real conversations you might have at a restaurant, so you can learn how to sound natural and confident when you order food in English.
Let's start with the first part, making a reservation.
Jack, let's imagine I'm calling a restaurant to book a table. You'll be the restaurant staff.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for this evening, please.
Of course. For how many people?
For 2, please.
What time would you like to come?
Around 7:30 p.m.
No problem. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emma Johnson.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. We'll see you at 7:30.
Great, thank you so much.
That's it. A simple and polite conversation.
Yes, and you can always add details, like asking for a table by the window or outside.
Or mentioning special requests like allergies or birthdays.
Okay, now let's move on. You've arrived at the restaurant. What do you say?
Usually the host will greet you and ask if you have a reservation.
Let's act it out.
Good evening. Welcome to Ocean View Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Emma Johnson.
Perfect. Follow me, please. Here's your table.
Thank you.
Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Excellent. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Nice and smooth.
Now we get to the fun part, ordering food.
Exactly. This is where people often get nervous, but it's easier than it seems.
Let's do a role play again. I'll be the waiter and you'll be the customer.
Sounds good.
Here's your menu. Are you ready to order or would you like a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is very popular. It's served with roasted vegetables and lemon sauce.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent choice. And for your side?
I'll take a green salad.
Would you like any dressing on your salad?
Just olive oil and lemon, please.
Perfect. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of white wine.
Sure thing. Thank you.
See? Not so hard.
Exactly. The key is to sound polite and confident.
Let's switch roles now. You be the customer. Okay, now we're sitting and eating. What might happen next?
Sometimes you need to call the waiter or ask for something.
Let's do a few examples.
How's everything with your meal?
It's wonderful, thank you. The salmon is perfect.
I'm glad to hear that. Can I get you anything else?
Yes, could I have some extra napkins, please?
Of course, I'll bring them right away.
Or maybe you want to send a dish back if there's a problem.
Is everything okay with your food?
Actually, my soup is a little cold. Could you please warm it up?
Of course, I'm so sorry about that. I'll take care of it right away.
Polite and calm, always the best way to handle it.
So, you've finished your meal. What comes next?
Dessert time.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have that with a cup of coffee, please.
Would you like milk or sugar with your coffee?
Just milk, thanks.
Perfect.
Finally, it's time to pay.
Right. Let's act it out again.
Excuse me? Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can pay by card or cash.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Thank you very much. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was wonderful.
We're happy to hear that. Have a great evening.
And that's a wrap on today's episode, English at the Restaurant.
We covered everything from reservations to dessert.
Yes, and if you practice these conversations, you'll feel much more confident next time you dine out in English.
Exactly. Remember, being polite, smiling, and speaking clearly make a huge difference.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time for another Dr. English channel.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful day.